Welcome to Best Choice. The best Kracie Popin Cookin is probably one of the most fascinating and delightful ways to experience a taste of Japan right in your own kitchen, offering a unique blend of culinary creativity and playful fun that transforms simple ingredients into miniature edible masterpieces. This kit isn't just about making candy, it's an immersive journey into the world of Japanese kawaii culture, where every step is designed to be engaging and rewarding, resulting in a delicious treat that you can proudly say you made yourself. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and chef as we dive into the whimsical world of DIY Japanese sweets, exploring the intricate details and surprising flavors that make these kits a global sensation. Number 5. Kracie Popin Cookin Candy Ramen. Get ready for a fun and delicious culinary adventure. This kit lets you create your very own candy ramen from scratch. It's a unique and interactive candy making experience. You'll love the process of assembling your sweet ramen bowl. Transform simple ingredients into a playful and edible masterpiece. It's a treat for both your eyes and your taste buds. Experience the surprising combination of sweet flavors in a familiar ramen form. It's a delightful twist on a classic dish. This kit is fantastic for parties, sleepovers, or as a unique gift. Bring a smile to anyone's face with this creative candy. Follow the simple steps to create your own candy ramen. The best part is enjoying your delicious creation afterward. What we like. This kit offers a truly unique savory candy experience. It's designed to mimic ramen, providing a fun and surprising twist on traditional candy making. If you're looking for something completely different and enjoy novelty, this is the perfect choice for an unexpected treat. What people say. The candy kit is fun and engaging for kids. It includes all the necessary ingredients and tools for making the candy. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 4. Box. Discover the innovative box. It's designed to simplify your life and enhance your everyday experiences. Experience unparalleled ease of use with its intuitive design. You'll find it incredibly simple to integrate into your routine. This product is crafted with your needs in mind. It offers a seamless and enjoyable user experience. Explore a world of new possibilities with its advanced features. It's ready to help you achieve more. Embrace the future with this cutting-edge solution. It represents the next step in innovation and convenience. What we like. This option is incredibly simple and quick to assemble, making it ideal for beginners. The cute box design adds to its charm and makes it a delightful gift. If you want a hassle-free, fun activity with a visually appealing result, this is a great pick. What people say. The candy kit is a fun and engaging activity for kids. It comes with all the necessary ingredients and tools to make delicious candy. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 3. Kracie Popin Cookin DIY Candy Cake Kit. Ever wanted to create your own adorable cake without the oven? Now you can with this fun and easy DIY candy kit. It's a delightful way to craft sweet treats. Say goodbye to complicated baking steps. This kit is designed for a no-bake experience, making candy creation simple and mess-free. Enjoy the process from start to finish. Assemble charming, bite-sized cakes that look as good as they taste. Each piece is a miniature masterpiece waiting to be designed. Perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. This kit offers a unique and engaging activity for kids and adults alike. It's a fantastic way to spend quality time and enjoy a delicious reward. Get ready for smiles and sweet surprises. Inside, you'll find all the pre-portioned ingredients and tools necessary to bring your candy cake vision to life. Just follow the simple instructions and let your creativity flow. It's a complete crafting experience. What we like. This kit focuses on creating adorable dessert cakes with no baking required. It's perfect for those who love sweet treats and want a convenient way to make them. If you're a fan of cute desserts and enjoy a no-fuss candy making process, this is the kit for you. What people say. The candy kit is very fun and easy to make. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The final candy looks just like the picture on the box. Number 2. Kracie Popin Cookin DIY Candy Waffle Kit. Get ready for a fun and delicious experience. This kit lets you create your own candy waffles from scratch. It's a perfect activity for kids and adults alike. Making your own treats has never been easier. Simply follow the instructions and watch your candy creation come to life. It's a simple and enjoyable process for everyone. Enjoy the sweet taste of freshly made candy waffles. They are not only fun to make but also incredibly tasty. A delightful treat you can be proud of. Looking for a unique party activity or a special gift? This DIY candy kit is a fantastic choice. It brings smiles and delicious results every time. Discover the satisfaction of creating something unique with your own hands. This kit offers a rewarding and tasty adventure. Enjoy the process and the yummy outcome. What we like? Experience the joy of making warm waffles with this delightful kit. It offers realistic details and satisfying textures, bringing a classic breakfast treat to life as candy. If you love the idea of creating your own candy waffles and appreciate attention to detail, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This kit is great for kids and adults alike, providing a fun and engaging way to create your own Japanese sweets. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners, making the candy-making process enjoyable and successful. The finished candies are not only delicious but also visually appealing, resembling traditional Japanese confections. Number 1. Kracie Popin Cookin DIY Gummy Land Candy Kit. Get ready for a fun and creative candy-making experience. This kit lets you build your own delicious gummy land. No complicated steps here. Just follow the simple instructions to mix, mold, and create your unique candy shapes. Explore a variety of fruity flavors as you assemble your gummy creations. It's a treat for your taste buds. Make any occasion special with this engaging activity. It's great for kids and adults alike who love to play with their food. Once you're done building, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Taste the sweet success of your DIY gummy land. What we like? This kit lets you create your own gummy candies in a playful land theme. You'll enjoy making a variety of fun shapes, perfect for imaginative play. If you're looking for a vibrant and engaging candy-making experience that encourages creativity, this is the ideal choice for endless fun. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary ingredients and tools. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished candy looks just like the picture on the box. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.